your story, huh? Come here, baby. Oh my god. Oh, he's in the other tree now. Don't go in the sun because I'm not going to be able to see you. So cool. Yes. Oh my god, it's so awesome. He's dancing because I'm watching him. He's hunting. He's totally checking me out right now. Oh my god, I have not been this close to wildlife in a hell of a long time. The goddess must be. Oh my god, he just looked at me. He just looked at me. Oh, so cool. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Look at him. I got you this time, baby. There ain't nothing you're gonna do about it either.